Hello guys, this is Saurabh, or in this video I'm going to show you how to make a website using Elementor plugin. So let's start. First we need to add new plugin here. Click on add plugin and we need to search here Elementor, Elementor, and install this plugin. After installing this plugin, click on activate plugin option, activate button, and now you will see that that's my website here, and that one is blank and that one is default WordPress theme right here. And now we need to click on page and click on add new here, and type here page name Elementor and publish. Click on publish button. Now we need to add it this page with Elementor. So add it with Elementor and wait some seconds to open this page in Elementor. Now you will see here is width, and that one is half width. We need full width here, right? So go to the setting option and here you will see page layout. So default, you need to select the Elementor full width and click on update, and here is our full width, right? So we need to first click on plus sign, add new section, and if you want to choose the 3 blocks like this, 3 columns, so choose this one, and if you want to like 2 columns, then choose this one. Here I'm going to click here, right here. Now I'm going to use change the style of this. So here's go to the style option. Here the border, if I want the border like 5 and that's border, and background is something, click on background option. If it's going, it's okay, no problem with that. And now click on the option of advanced margin, and there's some margin like 2, and go to the layout option right here. Now click on plus sign here and you will see the text. So I'm going to drag and drop the text here, text, right? And click on this plus sign to add some image, or you can add some videos also here, right? So that's 2 section here. And now we need to change this background. So if you want to change the background, so we need to change the border color. Okay, so here is the option of color. Okay, so there is option of link, alignment, choose image. So first we need to add the image here, right? So how to add image? So it's very simple. So click on this, choose image option and click on this image. There is nothing, select file from computer, and now go to the desktop. You have, if yeah, I have this one image, right? So I'm going to add this image here and insert media. So here is my image, and here is copy and paste this text again and again. Okay, so that's my text, right? So here is my first row, right, that one. And if you want to add second row like this, so click on this, and if I want to add three columns, so click on this, and here you will see add template option. So if you don't want to create the content, and if you don't want to make the design, so you can choose the content templates also here. So I'm going to click on add templates, right? And you will see that one is websites. Click on pages, and if I choose this landing pro, so if I choose this one or product page, so click on this insert, wait some seconds. And you will see here that's my page here. And if I have to remove this row. I already added this one row, so remove this right here and remove this column also from there. And now click on update option. Now I'm going to see my website here, right, and click on here preview changes. So click on this and you will see the preview of your website here, and you will see that's our website here, look like this, right. If you want to change this content, or if you want to make your own content or change some design, so you need to click here like this, and I'm going to change here my page, right, and update this, refresh this, and you will see my page here, right. So that one is very simple process to make a website using Elementor plugin right here. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me on comment and let me know if you know better than this plugin, right. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like my video, subscribe my channel and share this video. Thank you.